welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is out and he's playing a tape with Marcia. Now, they're talking about, what happened with Korra and, examining the little details that, most of us would have seen. Basically, they're talking about that she came out and she was saying that basically it was acid that was thrown in her face. But as well, most of us, expected because acid is very, and I can't say acidic, but you know what I mean in this sense. It burns your skin. Once it gets in contact with your skin, it deforms you. So it disfigures your face or your skin wherever the acid would have been thrown. It would have disfigured you. Well, we're not seeing that in Korra. Nobody's saying that that's not what's on her, or we're not. We don't know if there's a new form of acid. We don't know what the person threw on her. But they're saying that, basically we didn't see any disfiguration, nothing that was going on. Even though we're happy, we're happy that she was not disfigured because that would have been another thing. And so we're glad that's not the case now. So they're talking about that. They're talking about other things entailing Korra, um, with her continuing the live while the police was on scene or the paramedics was on scene. So, other people are talking. They're saying that basically they couldn't have done that if that was them. But go and catch a live for yourself. Listen to what they have to say about this. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I just want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my followers, my supporters, oh, I thank you guys so much for supporting me throughout the years and for continuing up to today. And I just want to wish you a wonderful day as well. Please keep a smile on your face. And if you're able to give someone a smile, something to smile about as well, do that. And thank you so much. Have a great day.
And Korra'S still on camera, said we.
No, I saw me feel. Oh, curly attack, I saw me feel. Me not tell a lie. Dwayne, do you think Korra?
Why me I tell you?
Justice.
Why I'm telling you.
I don't know.
There is something always going on with Korra. Then our Korra reach back our yard. But I catch one flight and come up from London and come in America. Then how long she had to London? Would I come out to London?
I don't believe it. I just don't buy it.
Then how long she did there for?
And you know the funny part about this whole saga? Mr. Other Jamaican I try fight down other Jamaican for them see with them own two eyes. Like, we all know when somebody get burned up with acid, when you get burned up with acid, you're gonna burn up. Your skin is gonna be unrecognizable. And I saw other Jamaicans fighting and other Jamaicans for them own point of view upon what actually transpired. Like, say, yo, the people them can't talk. Oh, the people them bad mind a whole other nation. You know, realize someone in Jamaican on a just dark, on a very dark, very, very dark. I mean, I have to look on a dark bad. I don't need to break up on the folly grounds. People can have an opinion without being bad mind and jealous and hateful. The same lingo to use pan Jamaicans talk about other Jamaicans, and the same thing when I try to use pan Jamaican talk about our own other race, our own other country people on a dark bad and foul. As some people they go to the eye on the damn idiot.
That come right back at me yard. So me not see the video. Me not see not company asking. Me see them spray her. Me see them wash her face with Coke.
Coca-Cola, exactly. And bear in mind, people. Let me ask another question. Is somebody born with acid, right? It's somebody born with acid. It's somebody born with acid. Let's be serious. I could be serious about it now. Yes, we know in the beginning of the live that it was very like toxic. But now we're going to a serious discussion. if somebody burn you with acid, where is you gonna, where you person gonna find time to catch up phone, exhibit A, catch up phone, turn on the recorder, and then looking at the camera to see if it's a record, and then draw the Coca-Cola for wash your face. How is that possible? If somebody dash acid for your face, your skin off your bone, your skin for your bone, though, and you're just all over the place, right? Them too dark, yes, very dark, very dark. Not even one little strip, not even one little one, you know, it's what, piece of your skin if you peel off, if you see something, nothing is there, not one thing is there. Korra, that plan was it was not executable. Mr. People, me know somebody from another country in the Caribbean and call me and want to drag me for my own opinion. Mr. Watch ya. Like I say, on a dark, on a fool bad, on a fool, tell them no can't fool no more. I'm feel sorry for no. So I don't know. On a better pray to God and say, Father God, me a beg if you look a brain so we can see things clearly and stop me from idiot. And I'm not saying the person or whoever that throws something in our face, whether it was water or whatever kind of liquid, was not wrong. But then she could put up acid, ACID, the big ACID, like seriously. Okay, the skin not chip off. Okay, when I see the big burn by your face. Okay, when your face a scar up. How? I'm not figure away. I'm not too dark.
Me not see no blood. That's why me I say, because even when she did me see her did the operate phone said we.
Alright.
Me not see she put up her hand and I say, if you go stitch me up. So me not going away when I watch. That's why I'm not even elaborate on it too much, because I don't see no cut.
I said the same thing to Krell. I said the same thing. I swear to God. The same thing. Imagine, I was in this comments.
Me not see no cut. You not see cut?
I was in this comments and people's cowing me down for what I saw in my own two eyes. Or you try to cow me down for what me say, and me talk, and I'm talking from my own point of view, you know, or you call me down for that. How? You have your opinion, right? Am I forcing my opinion down your throat? No. So why would you want to force your narrative upon me? If Mr. Me not believe me, just don't believe it. If somebody dash acid for you, your face feel burn up, You have to burn up. No, you have to burn up. I mean, that's not burn up. I don't know why I'm laughing. I know funny. The person did it's wrong. Them wrong. But that is not acid. It's not acid. It's not
One
acid.
little tiny one. And that me and say me hope it's not a makeup story, because me I tell you, guys, somebody really that.
Another thing, when you take into consideration, if somebody dash acid pan you right now, you should be in some kind of intensive care unit right now, because the acid will burn you so bad, you should be in some intensive care. No. As some kind of burn unit, one kind of specialist burn unit. What acid will burn you, and them people that is put in place for special to treat people who get burned up with acid. No, wanna see it? They are so very, and Jamaicans are in it too. Want to drag people down for them own fat to damn idiot them. It burn me. Me say it burn me for somehow. It burn me. It's not just Jamaica who can fool, you know, but other countries are fool like I turn like to